YouTube is the way I started originally in high school, but I haven't posted on here long form content in a while. You could follow me on my other socials. I'll probably try to add it here. It is Steph Paris on TikTok and Stephanie_8 on Instagram. But today we're gonna go ahead and try to do long form content, maybe like a weekly vlog. I don't know. Today is actually Wednesday and I have a couple things going on, but right now I am doing my makeup.
Business by Lady Gaga across all eras of.
Okay, we're at home in my kitchen and we're gonna go ahead and make some chocolate covered strawberries in this little treat box for my cousin Hansel and Daniel. We got the strawberries from Publix. I told you guys I love Valentine's Day and I love that the strawberries are in this little heart-shaped container. So cute. I don't know why I want to keep the container. Go ahead and make these chocolate covered strawberries into roses. I love dark chocolate on my chocolate covered strawberries. Got a little bit of decorative fluff for the bottom of the box. And I forgot, I saw somebody that does like little treats, do little marshmallows, and I have marshmallows, so they put them at the bottom of the box as well, and I feel like that would be cute, and I have them already, so we're gonna go ahead and use them. We'll report back when I am done with the strawberries. The results of the chocolate covered strawberry roses. So basically what I did is cut the ends off the strawberries, make sure they're really dry before I dip them in chocolate, and then just make the little rose mold separately. And then I kind of weld them together with some chocolate. And here are the final results. Downtown Lakeland, and we're going to this little bar called Revival. We're with Hansel and Daniel and my husband. So let's go see what kind of little cocktails we get. It's a happy hour and I'm thinking about getting a Paloma. Come with me. That's my little outfit. He's super cute. We might sit here and he might tickle the ivory. Like Trish. Okay, they're trying to decide what to get, but me and Hansel are gonna go sit down. And this is their happy hour. Cheers! Good morning, guys. It's the next day and we're gonna get ready for the day. First, we're gonna make our bed, do our skincare, and I'm also filming a vlog for TikTok. I feel like you guys are rarely in the car with me. First of all, I don't like to drive, so that's probably why, but we're gonna go to the thrift store, try to thrift a couple things. Arrived to the thrift store. We're going to Goodwill today. This Nike jacket is really cute. It's a size large, but I think I might get it. It's like a little crop moment. I need some Coke Zero. PR package just arrived in the mail for me. It's from Philosophy at Macys. I'm part of the Macys style crew, so I got this. I'll probably do an unboxing soon on TikTok. Always so grateful for any PR that I received. I feel like this was always a dream of mine and it's become a reality. So thank you so much, Macys and Philosophy. I love you. 1 hour on the little walking pad, you guys. I am sweating. We actually did more than an hour. I actually spilled my water all over the walking pad, so I had to dry it up and reset it. Good morning. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Friday. I literally just woke up, so I know I look a little crazy. Yesterday, we went to go watch Wuthering Heights, and that video is uploaded and edited on TikTok now, yesterday's vlog. Today, I am cleaning and getting ready for a Valentine's Day dinner, so obviously you're gonna come with me. This is how I am looking like right now. Later you probably won't even recognize me. We're indeed glowing up. I still need to do my skincare, but I wanted to come on here and show you I got a package from Set Active. I did place a Valentine's Day, like their drop, an order for 2 sets, one in Verse and one in Blush. I think this is a blush one and the Verse one should get here tomorrow. I'll probably do a little try on. Results of the hair rollers. I added a little bit of K18 hair oil to the bottom of my hair. So just like the tips, the ends of it. And usually I go in with the Garnier Fructis like frizz tamer. Okay, this is the hair for tonight. Before the natural light fades away, this is my glam. This is how I'm looking so far. I'm just adding a little bit more bronzer. The Rare Beauty powdered bronzers are so good. Shade Summer Feels, and I love applying it with the Rare Beauty bronzer brush. But I need to do my lip and go pick up an outfit. I think I'll have to come back and show you the final outfit reveal because honestly, I don't know what I'm wearing at all. Here is the outfit. I am wearing these Old Navy jeans and this little Versace shirt with this Kate Spade heart purse. And I'm gonna wear these brown boots. Hey, let's show your outfits. Mama, mama. Oh, I love that. She came She came out of there. She came out of there. Cute. Love the outfits. Wow. Hey.
Let me get yours.
My outfit. I wore my little hurt purse. So cute. My little pants.
I like that.
Cute. You look so cute. Okay, let's see if they're inside already. Is this the entrance? Main entrance? I guess so. So cute.
Happy Valentine.
Thank you so much. Everybody say hi. I know. Thank you so much. For Jacob or Junior.
It's it. I am the one. Come on.
This is the current situation. This is how I look like right now. Valentine's Day pajamas. It's giving Valentine's Day. I did do my skincare last night, so I'm proud of myself for that. This one says Happy Valentine's Day, and the other one also said Steven. We're currently on our way to the park. We just pumped gas. It's actually already, what, 4:30, and we finally left the house. But honestly, I feel like my stomach was hurting, and no, I was not hungover. My stomach just hurts whenever because I got my gallbladder removed a while ago, and I have to be careful with everything that I eat or drink.
Came up and took our picture and they printed it out. How sweet is that?
It's a little Polaroid.
Yeah, it's so cool.
Wait, let me show you. I'm giving Senora vibes. I know. I don't like it. You look cute. Back home and my mouth is literally watering. I'm super excited for this crab boil. I'm wearing a shirt that is gonna get messy. Hopefully it doesn't get too messy in here. We only have one pair, so Steven's getting the other pair, or the other side. And let's go ahead and open this up. Sausage. This potato is so huge. So good. Corn, oh my gosh. We're gonna go ahead and enjoy this end of our Valentine's Day. And then tomorrow I'm trying to convince Steven to wake up a little bit early and we could go walking since we were being really lazy today. I ordered 2 set active sets in the Valentine's Day drop and only one of them arrived recently, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you that one. The other shade that I'm receiving, it's in the shade Burst. This one is in the shade Blush. And look how cute this is. Super cute. This is my second set active set, and this is in the material Form Cloud. I've never tried this material, so I'm excited for that. And here is the top. I accidentally thought I ordered the top and not the bra, but we got the bra in the mail. It was my bad, it was my mistake, but it's super cute and I really want to wear it today, so that's what we're gonna go ahead and do. I did order both sizes in medium. Now I'm checking to make sure they sent me the right sizes, but I'm gonna go ahead and wear this today. I was trying to wait until I got both of them in the mail so I could do a try on both of them, but we only got one and hopefully we receive the other one soon. Here is how she is looking. We're just gonna go on a walk. Super cute. I do love the color combination of the cotton candy pink with the cotton candy blue. It's like a gender reveal. So unhappy with his Dunkin' order. He got the brown sugar shaken espresso, the most disgusting drink he's ever tasted. That is his favorite drink usually, so I'm shook. He's writing a letter. He's writing a letter. He's gonna have a BF. Actually, he's already having a BF. This one is very chaotic. Steven's hat already flew away 2 times. You better grab onto your hat. We're gonna go and leave the camera in the car and go to the rooftop bar. We're on our way to Texas Roadhouse and I'm doing my makeup in the car. Steven is gonna go get us some coffee.
Show me the money.
I'm gonna make chorizo and eggs. Oh my gosh, she's lovey today. They have an horchata cannon latte. I'm kidding. They have an horchata latte that I'm thinking about getting, and Steven's thinking about getting the oat milk shaken espresso dupe. It's at a panaderia called San Miguel. So we're trying to see what kind of coffees we could get while I make chorizo, eggs, and Steven's gonna bring back tortillas. Today is Monday. I'm gonna try to edit the vlog tomorrow. And hopefully, fingers crossed, I can have it up. Also, don't judge me if this vlog is bad. It's my first YouTube return since my YouTube hiatus.